Hello guys, my name is Beatrice and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to retouch an image backward. So we're going to start by, this is the after look, but I wanted to show you the before. So that's him now. This picture was taken this year, and now in order to create a duplicate layer, you must do the shortcut Control J all at once, and in order to zoom in is Control plus. The first thing you could tell by aging is the wrinkles and the redness in the eyes and the puffiness along with the hair. So what I'm going to do is add more wrinkles, and there are certain features that droop, like the nose, the lips get thinner, the ears more droopy, and the eyes their eyes squint more. So the puffiness will be a little bit more and their eyes will be a little bit squinty. So I'm gonna first start with the wrinkles. I'm going to add a little bit of wrinkles just to add a little bit more aging. So I'm going to blend it. So I'll lower the opacity so it's not 100% obvious and it doesn't look like I'm just trying to butcher an image of Donald Trump. So I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. It's not 100% obvious, but let me lower the opacity. Alright, so from there I will compress the layer with Control Alt Shift E. The next thing I'm going to do is use the Liquify filter. And in the Liquify filter, I'll make his features look more droopy. So the forward wrap tool is what I'm going to use, and I droop the nose and the eyes a little bit. And I'll do the opposite effect. His ears. And then this little man right here, the face tool, I'll make his eyes more squinty. The nose a little bit more and make the lips thinner. Usually the face sags a little bit. And it gets a little bit more wider. And the puffiness will become bigger. No, that does the opposite. You could already see the difference. It already looks older. Control J for a new layer. Now we're going to look for the adjustment layer. So this is my video of making Donald Trump 10 years older. This is the before and this is the after. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like this, comment below, like this video, and click that notification bell if you want to know when one of my videos drop. Thank you and have a great day.